Hi all, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're going to look into the 11 stock picks by HDFC Securities for Diwali 2019 or Samvat 2076. HDFC Securities have picked 11 stocks which they feel will give us good returns, and they have provided with the target price. So, if at all you all want to know what is the Diwali picks or what is Samvat 2076 or what is Samvat, you all can check out my previous year's Diwali picks video. In that, I have given a detailed information of what is Samvat and what happens basically on Samvat, and what is what is it for stock market and how it happens. So now we'll get in and see which are those 11 stocks and a quick review of it. So the stock prices of 18 October 2019. First one in the list is SBI Life Insurance Company. Its current share price is 925 rupees. The 52-week low is 515, whereas the high is 930. The industry PE is 75.35, whereas the company PE is 75.65. The PB is 12. The ROCE is 23, whereas the debt to equity is 0.00, which means there is no debt with this company. The TTM EPS is 12. The promoter holding is 62%. 4,930 crores has been invested into the stock by many mutual fund schemes, and returns for 1 year it has given us a return of 65%. We don't have 3 and 5 year return here because this came into stock market in 2018, so we only have 1 year return here. The target price is 965 rupees. Next one on the list is UltraTech Cement. So this is a favorite pick for many of the securities or many of the fund houses which they are suggesting. So previously when I had posted the ICICI Securities picks, in that also UltraTech Cement was there. So its current share price is 4,295 rupees. The 52-week low is 3,260, whereas the high is 4,904. The industry PE is 35, whereas the company PE is 38. The PB is 4. The ROCE is 10, whereas the debt to equity is 0.80. The TTM EPS is 109. The promoter holding is 61%. 6,352 crores has been invested in the stock by many mutual fund schemes, and returns for 1 year it has given us a return of 13%, for 3 years 2%, and for 5 years it has given us a return of 13%. So the target price is 4,980 rupees. Next one on the list is Amber Enterprises India. Its current share price is 937 rupees. The 52-week low is 622, whereas the high is 1010. The industry PE is 19, whereas the company PE is 26. The PB is 3. The ROCE is 14, whereas the debt to equity is 0.16. The TTM EPS is 35. The promoter holding is 44%. 169 crores has been invested in the stock by many mutual fund schemes. And returns, we only have 1 year return here, so which is 1.41%. The target price is 1,140. Next one on the list is Bajaj Auto. Its current share price is 3,087. The 52-week low is 2,420, whereas the high is 3,149. The industry PE is 19.02, whereas the company PE is 19.06. The PB is 4. The ROCE is 29, whereas the debt to equity is 0.01. The TTM EPS is 169. The promoter holding is 53%. 2,236 crores has been invested in the stock by many mutual fund schemes, and returns for 1 year it is given us a return of 21%, for 3 years 3%, and for 5 years it is given us a return of 5%. Though the 1 year return is good, 3 and 5 year returns are not that good. The target price is 3,447 rupees. Next one on the list is Garden Reach Shipbuilders and Engineers. Its current share price is 175 rupees. The 52-week low is 77, whereas the high is 190. The industry PE is 12, whereas the company PE is 16. The PB is 1.93. The ROCE is 17, whereas there is no debt to equity, which means the debt to equity is 0.00. The TTM EPS is 10. The promoter holding is 74%. 198 crores has been invested into the stock by many mutual fund schemes, and returns. We only have 1 year return here, which is 91%, a very good return. The 3 and 5 year return are not there because this came into stock market around 1.5 years ago. So the target price is 202 rupees. Next one on the list is Muthoot Finance. Its current share price is 675 rupees. The 52-week low is 367, whereas the high is 699. The industry PE is 34, whereas the company PE is only 13. The PB is 2. The ROCE is 16, whereas the debt to equity is 1.99. TTM EPS is 50. The promoter holding is 73%. Mutual fund investment into the stock is 1,793 crores by many mutual fund schemes, and return for 1 year it is given us a return of 67%, for 3 years 24%, and for 5 years it is given us a return of 29%. So the stock has given us a very good return over the period, and the target price is 751 rupees. Next one on the list is Fairchem Speciality. Its current share price is 491 rupees. The 52-week low is 319, whereas the high is 582. The industry PE is 42, whereas the company PE is 86. The PB is 18. The ROCE is 18, whereas the debt to equity is 0.85. TTM EPS is 42. The promoter holding is 74%. 26 crores has been invested into this stock by many mutual fund schemes, and return for 1 year it is given us a return of 30%, but for 3 years it is very less, it has given us only a return of 0.28, whereas for 5 years it has given us a return of 11%. The target price is 569 rupees. Next one in the list is BEML. Its current share price is 955 rupees. The 52-week low is 521, whereas the high is 1034. The industry PE is 13, whereas the company PE is 31. The PB is 1. The ROCE is 7, whereas the debt to equity is 0.18. TTM EPS is 30. The promoter holding is 54%. 859 crores has been invested into the stock by many mutual fund schemes, and returns for 1 year it is given us a return of 62%, for 3 years 0.78%, and for 5 years it is given us a return of 11.64%. The target price is 1048. Next one on the list is Deepak Nitrite. Its current share price is 317 rupees. The 52-week low is 205, whereas the high is 337. The industry PE is 14, whereas the company PE is 19. The PB is 4. The ROCE is 18, whereas the debt to equity is 0.31. The TTM EPS is 16. Promoter holding is 44%. 955 crores has been invested into the stock by many mutual fund schemes, and returns for 1 year it is given us a return of 27%, for 3 years 37%, and for 5 years it is given us a return of 35%. The target price is 348 rupees. Next one on the list is Sudarshan Chemicals. Its current share price is 375 rupees. The 52-week low is 290, whereas the high is 424. The industry PE is 17, whereas the company PE is 25. The PB is 4. The ROCE is 16, whereas the debt to equity is 0.52. TTM EPS is 14. The promoter holding is 52%. 13 crores has been invested in the stock by many mutual fund schemes, and returns. The 1 year return is nil, so there's no return. For 3 years it is negative, which is minus 1%, and for 5 years it is good return, which is given us a return of 35%. The target price is 460 rupees. Next one and the last one on the list is Apollo Hospitals. Its current share price is 1,507 rupees. The 52-week low is 1,067, whereas the high is 1,579. The industry PE is 58, whereas the company PE is 65. The PB is 5. The ROCE is 10, whereas the debt to equity is 0.83. The TTM EPS is 23. The promoter holding is 34%. 1,409 crores has been invested in the stock by many mutual fund schemes, and returns for 1 year it is given us a return of 34%, for 3 years 3%, and for 5 years it is given us a return of 8%. And the target price is 1,629 rupees. So these are the 11 stocks picked by HDFC Securities for this Diwali, and they feel that these stocks will give us good returns, and they have provided with the target price also. So as I told in the beginning, if you want to know what is Samvat and how it works on Diwali and everything related to Diwali and the stock market, I will link the video in the end so that you all can go and check out. And if at all you all want to invest in any of these stocks, please do your research and then start investing, as this is not a stock recommendation from our side, but HDFC Securities feel that these stocks will give us good returns in the going forward. So as you always say, start thinking and happy investing. Thank you for watching the video, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you get notified as we upload a new video. All the information provided in this channel is only for general guidance and educational purpose. Don't consider this as a recommendation from our side. Please do your own research or seek a financial advisor prior to investing. You can follow us even on Facebook and Twitter. Thank you.